Hey everyone, RJ here. Welcome back to the channel. And yes, it finally came, the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. I got it in the Samsung exclusive red, and so it took quite a while to get here. But it's here. So now this will not be a full unboxing, nothing like that. I won't be going through all kinds of stuff because there's tons of videos out there already on this phone. I basically want to just give my reaction to the color of the phone and just a first look here. Okay, so let's go ahead and just jump right into it. Let's go ahead and pull the top off. Now we know there's really nothing in the box. I mean, other than the phone. Got the phone here. We'll pull it out, and of course, you only have your little manual and your Type-C charging cable. Okay, so I went ahead and put everything away, and now it's my first hands-on here with the S22 Ultra. Now, yes, the first thing that I want to touch on here is the color of the phone. This is supposed to be the exclusive red, but I think that whoever done this here needs to actually look at something red, okay? This is not red. This is more like a orangey, peachy looking color, okay? This is red. Alright, this is the color red. Of course, it's got some lines through it, but this is the color red, okay? This ain't red. This is red. Alright? For reference, Samsung, that's red. This is not. Now, definitely nothing that I'm going to be like, well, I don't want the phone anymore because, it's not the color deep red like the iPhone 8 and all that, that real pretty dark red and all that kind of stuff. But anyway, kind of rambling on there a little bit, but yeah, it's going to get a case anyway, so yeah, all that stuff's good there. Now, in the back here, of course, you see your 5 cameras. Now, it does look like the S21 Ultra without the bump, okay, without the hump or whatever. And I kind of like it. I really do. It's not bad at all. Turn the phone around here, of course, got your nice 6.8-inch display. Got everything. Now, I like the matte sides here, or the dark black sides. It just looks really good. Kind of good, flows in really good with the front, the top, the sides. And then with the back here being the different color, I think it looks really nice. And of course, the S Pen down here at the bottom, same color as the phone. Now, I know a lot of people don't like the fact that the S Pen is on the left because most people are right-handed. However, if you're a lefty like me, it's perfect. Yeah, it's not really often that left-handed people get, stuff like this right here to where it's easier for them who are left-handed to pull this thing out, start writing with it, and boom, boom, boom. But, I mean, honestly, if you're right-handed, it's over here, big deal. Just pop it out over here. You're ready to roll. So, I am going to boot the phone on, but like I said, I'm not going to go through all the settings and stuff like that. I want to boot it up here and just see how it looks on the home screen. But it feels so premium. This is the 12 gig, 512 GB version. Of course, it's Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. So yeah, I'm going to get it to the home screen and wrap it up. Okay, so we're here now at the home screen, and this is a very beautiful display. I mean, it's just, oh, I'm loving it already. Now, I'm interested in the battery life, on how it's going to be, going to learn everything and all that kind of cool stuff. Let's see what the default settings are at. I do want to kind of just show y'all that. Still on light mode. Now, I might turn on dark mode so the camera can pick it up better here. So, go into display, cut on dark mode, and there we go. So, let's see. Back to the display. So, motion right here is already on adaptive. So, it's already at the 120 hertz out of the box. And resolution for the screen, default is full HD, 1080p. You can go down to HD plus, get the best battery life. I mean, if you're not really doing nothing with your phone, or go up here, and what I want to apply right now, you got your screen mode vivid, stuff like that. I'm interested to see how much storage the phone's got on it, since it's got the 512 gigabytes of storage. Let's see. Okay, so out of 512 gigs, 10% is used up. The system is using 50 gigs. Wow. 50 gigs and 5 gigs for other, whatever the other is. So out of the box, we have 456 gigabytes of storage available. Of course, it does not have an SD card slot, but they keep taking things away on these Samsung phones. But yeah, that's just my first look there and first power up of the S22 Ultra. And so far, I'm liking it. It feels really good in the hand. It's got a really, really premium feel to it, and I'm very anxious to do battery test, camera test, make some videos with this thing, and just see how it works on a daily basis. So, yeah, kind of wanted to just show you this here a little bit. Stay tuned for more videos to come in the future about this phone and some comparisons, stuff like that. Let me know down below what y'all think. Hit the like button if it's helpful and informative in any way. If you're new around here and you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing and clicking that bell on for all notifications. That would be appreciated. Y'all have a good one, and thanks for watching.